Today's topic is about from approaching girls to making her your girlfriend. Now, guys, today's topic is going to be a little lengthy because I'm going to start from the scratch and go till the end. So, bear with me, be patient, and stay with me till the end, and you will get the rewards. I promise you. So, let's start now, guys. I will start with an example so that it becomes easy for you guys. Let's assume I'm the guy, and the girl's name is Shruti, and the day is Monday. First of all, what you need to do is you have to keep approaching random girls because it's numbers game. You have to find the one who is interested in you, who can be your girlfriend. But yeah, most of them will reject you. So don't feel low because they have rejected you. For example, I approached 10 girls. Out of the 10, 3 seem to be interested, and the remaining 7 don't find interest in me. So in that case, I don't have to waste my time on those 7 girls who are not interested in me. Now remaining 3 who are interested, I'll see that the frequency is matching while talking to them, while I'm talking to them, and they're responding well, and there is no awkward feelings going on between the two of us. So starting the conversation is not that difficult. You can start in a very normal way, like you start with any other guy in a market. For example, if you want to know the time, you'll ask a guy normally, right? What's the time, brother? Something like that. Similarly, for a girl, you just have to start the topic normally by asking what's the time, or maybe if she's searching for something, you can. If you're on the example, you're in the grocery shop. There you can say something like, "Hey, is this apple good? Actually, I'm doing shopping for the first time, so I'm buying it for my mom. So I just wanted to know, is this okay? Because she'll hit me or something like that. She'll get angry at me." So this way you can start the conversation. It has to be very normal. You don't have to think too much about, oh my god, what should be my starting line? Or it should be like something which will like make her flat. Nothing like that. That's all bullshit. Just normal talk, normal conversation to spark the conversation with her. And with that you can come to know that whether she is responding to you well or not, whether she is interested in you or not. Very simply, you will just by the talks come to know whether she is interested in you or not, because she will respond differently than the remaining girls who are not interested in you. So keep talking. After few talks, just close the deal by asking for the number. Okay, ask the number. Out of the 3, maybe 3 may give, or maybe 1 didn't give, 2 may give. Okay, so I'll take the 2 numbers and then vanish from there by giving some smart excuse, something like, "Hey, I gotta go, I'll catch you up soon, bye." That's it. You don't have to keep talking. Got it? You get the number and vanish. Now after you vanish, you don't have to call her before I would say a week. Call her after a week. Simple. If I was there, I approached Shruti gave me her number, and Simran gave me her number, for example. So I will take the numbers because they seemed interested, okay? And then after a week, excluding Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Now, why I'm saying excluding Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays? Because normally what happens, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays are considered holidays and people focus on their work or maybe date other girls. So if you don't call that particular girl who is interested in you on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then she will be wondering why this guy has not called me on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Is he busy with some other girl? Something like that. She'll be wondering. And the idea behind not calling her for a week is the space is given. Now space increases the interest level because girls need to wonder about you. Okay? When she will wonder about you, her interest will increase. Slowly, over time. So that's why you will call her after a week. Now when you call her, you will just call her to set the date. For example, I'm Ashish, I'm talking to Shruti now. Hi Shruti, this is Ashish. Now, if she recognizes my name, then it's good. But if she doesn't, then throw the number in the toilet. I would throw the number in the toilet. Now let's assume she recognized me. Hey, this is Ashish. Let's catch up tomorrow at Starbucks, 5 o'clock. Send me your address, I'll pick you up. Yeah, see you. Bye. That's it. You don't have to continue talking because the interest will increase by giving space and by meeting her physically. So now, there are 2 situations that can happen. One, she will accept it. Now we'll come to that later on. What if she rejects your date? Now here also, she may give you a counter offer. If she rejects your date, she will give you a counter offer for sure. For example, if I asked her for Monday, she will tell me that I am available on Tuesday. That's okay. That you should accept. Whenever there is an incoming from the girl's side, you should accept the counter offer. Or whenever the girl approaches you or calls herself, then you should accept the offer. Okay, you got that thing clear? Now, if she accepted my date, I'll cut the phone and then I will reach on her address 10 minutes before because I don't want to be late. But of course, dressing sense should be good. You shouldn't smell bad. Your bad breath shouldn't be there. Your teeth should look good. You should look good. Like a gentleman, what you should do, you should open the doors for her if you are going in a car. You should pull the chair for her if she is sitting. So these are gentleman things which is definitely making a difference, which will definitely make a difference. You have to keep these things in mind. But after you pick her up, from that time till the end of the date, you have to make few things, you have to keep few things in mind. First, keep the topics light, funny. No serious topics. Not including sex. Even sex topics shouldn't come. Even if you feel like having sex, that topic shouldn't be included. No heavy topics, only smooth, light, funny topics. Smooth topics. Okay, that will increase her interest level. And if she forces on serious topics, you can convert it into a funny topic. Or tease her in a funny way till the time she gives up asking the serious question. If she wants you to talk more, you can ask her a question which is very elaborative, which will make her talk a lot. For example, where were you born, how did you grow up, etc. Okay, so make her talk. But basically, if she's interested in you, this won't happen normally. This is some exceptional case I'm talking about. Mostly, she will do the most of the talking. Now, you also have to make sure that you're a good listener. 70 to 90% of the talking is done by her. Touching is done by her. You don't have to worry about touching her, when to talk, what to talk, and you don't have to worry about touching her and talking. Okay, she will be talking as I said. So you don't have to worry about talking more or something like that. She will be talking. And I've written few points. I'll keep telling you about that. She was not interested in you. And also during the dating phase, whatever I'm telling you during the dating phase, maybe first, second, third date was successful, and the fourth date she is acting something different. She broke the date. That means again she was not interested in you. You will throw that number in the toilet even after the fourth or fifth date. Or maybe you did something wrong which made her interest drop. Then again the same thing will happen. You have to flush the number in the toilet. So also you don't have to talk about your weaknesses, your negatives. You only have to talk about your positives and good things. Positivity will bring her interest level up. You don't have to talk, for example, if you have some weakness or some disease, you don't have to talk about, you know what, I am having fever today. You don't have to talk about all that. You have to talk about all positive things. But most of the talking will be done by her. That's as usual. Now, this phenomenon of 1 week, calling her after 1 week and letting her talk most of the time and meeting her, blah, 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 has to be repeated till the 10th and 12th date. But you will notice a difference. After the 3rd or 4th date, she will start touching you more, she will start approaching you more, she will start calling you more. Okay? And incomings will increase. And after 10th or 12th date, maybe after 8th date sometimes, she will propose you. Yes guys, you don't have to propose, she will propose you. Always the girl chooses the guy and she lets the guy know the right time to touch, talk, whatever, everything. She knows the right time. We guys don't have time, or we don't give the time that this is the right time. It's always the girl who chooses. Also, one important point is girls help you when they like you. You will yourself feel the frequency matching and they will help you. You will get clear inklings from their side that, okay, I think this girl likes me. You know, something like that. So you don't have to worry. One guy asked me in the comment section that how to approach a girl of college after 1 or 2 years. Now here also this technique will work. Same technique will work. But the only thing is that girl, that girl of your college, you shouldn't have dated her in the past or broken up or something like that, or she must have not rejected you in the past. Then these techniques won't work. If this is not the case, then these techniques will work. Of course, she should be interested in you after you apply those techniques. She will let you know by her talks, like she gives you a number and then again accepts your date or not. You will come to know if she is interested. She will let you know. But if she is not interested in you, don't force her. You cannot force a girl and ask for the date. So it's very simple, and you have to maintain this technique lifetime. Because what happens, lots of guys after dating, after becoming couples, they open up, they become honest. They don't let mystery develop and nothing like that. So what happens, girls become familiar with the guy. She knows everything about the guy, honesty, weaknesses, strengths. So because of that, the girls start losing interest. Honesty kills attraction. Weaknesses kills attraction. Familiarity kills attraction. Not giving space kills attraction. Texting kills attraction. Video calling kills attraction. Calling kills attraction. So we have to keep these things to the minimum. Opposite of that, that is positives, good feeling, space. These things increases the interest level. So guys, you don't have to worry about, oh my god, how should I approach this girl? Because you never know. Maybe that girl is very good looking, but still she may be interested in you. You won't know until you approach her. If you don't approach her, you will never know. Lots of guys get scared. So there's nothing to be scared, and you don't have to think too much. Of course, there are some points like you don't have to talk about negatives and weaknesses, and you have to be gentleman. These things you have to keep in mind, how to dress and all that. But the basic idea remains the same. And people who say that you can attract any girl in this world, that's utter bullshit. That's not possible. In this world, no guy can attract every girl in this world. That's actually not possible. So guys, I think I have covered everything. But if you think I have missed something or you want a particular video to be made, definitely write in the comment section. I'll cover it up. And if you like my video, please like it. And if you want to follow my future updates, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Love you.